Hey, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, you know what day it is. It is Instapot Weeknight Warriors. So, for my dish, we're going to sit there and do beer brats. So, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because it is Instapot Weeknight Warriors, and we're going to do a quickie, and I'm going to sit there and show you how you can make beer brats. Go ahead and let's get started. Let's go through our cast of characters for this dish, which would be beer brats. I have some sweet onions. I have beer, we have some pepper, and then we also have some kosher salt and our beloved Instapot. Now go ahead, turn your Instapot on saute, take your cover off, and go ahead and put down a couple tablespoons, maybe like 2 tablespoons, and we're gonna sit there, put all our sweet onion right inside, and we're just gonna saute them onions up until they are all tender crisp. Now we're also gonna sit there and add a good teaspoon of black crushed pepper, and I like using the coarse black pepper. Oh. Hold on, I gotta fire somebody on my set. They forgot to fill my kosher salt dish here. Not me. Sorry for that interruption, but we needed to fire somebody off the set because they didn't have their you-know-what all together. Now I have my spoon here, and I'm going to give this a stir. Now do you see how the onions are just now starting to turn tender crisp? That's how we want them. We want them a little bit translucent, but still have the texture to them. Okay, my onions are just now starting to caramel up a little bit, so I'm going to come down here. I'm going to remove the packaging from our brats so we can sit there and brown these bad boys up next. And now, folks, don't fret if your bottom of the pot is starting to look like this, because we have one more star ingredient to add, and that would be Mr. Bud. Let's grab our good old buddy Weiser, and we're just deglazing the bottom of the pan. And now look, all that stuff that you saw on the bottom of our Instapot is now coming off. Now go ahead, I want you to sit there and just cook that off a little bit. Alright, as you see, most of our liquid has been cooked off. Now let's just push these off over to the side. There's no need for us to remove them. I don't mind if they get a little bit, cook a little bit more, that's perfectly fine. What I'm after right now is for my beer brats to brown up on all sides, and I'm just browning them. I'm not out to cook them at all. We just want to put color on them. You know, you remember when Grandma would sit there and say, put a little color in your cheeks? Well, I guess you just want to put a little color on your brats. And here's the brats, browning all up. Now let's just turn our brats, not quite. Let them brown up a little bit more. See, they're just starting. So I'll put them back over and just let them brown up. Like that one. We just want a little bit of color on it. Just let them pan up just a tad more, and we're gonna cook them. Or should I say, just let them George Hamilton up just a tad bit. Okay, now that you're getting their George Hamilton on, the last little step is we're gonna add maybe about 2 ounces of beer. Grab the cover, put our cover on, lock it all into place. Okay, we're gonna come down here, push the cancel, and then we're gonna push the manual, and I'm gonna leave mine at 5, and I'll see you in 5 minutes to do a quick release. Okay, the Instant Pot went off. Let's come up here and do a quick release. Oh, that aroma of beer brats in the air. Let's see if it released all of its pressure. Now remember, open it up away from you. That way you don't get the steam burns. There they are down on the inside. Now, if you would want them to brown up a little bit, dump off all the juice along with the onions and put the Instant Pot back on saute and brown them up. Now as you see, I removed all the beer and all the sauteed onions, and we're just going ahead and we're browning up our brats the rest of the way my family likes. I mean, they're okay like this, but we don't like naked brats in this family. And really, it doesn't take long after they have been already cooked in the Instant Pot to brown up. This part goes rather fast. Naked brats no more. Let's go ahead, give them another turn. Now let's go ahead and add all that beer and all the caramelized onions back on in. Give your pot another good stirring on the bottom. Put one of these on your plate. Just as such. And there you go. That's how easy it was to become an Instant Pot weeknight warrior and make beer brats in 5 minutes. I want to give a special shout out to 2 special ladies who have joined in on this collaboration, and one of them is Catherine over at Catherine's Plate. Now be sure to go and check her channel out, and Fanny, the Urban Homesteader. I love you too, gals, and thank you for participating and joining in on all this fun. And if any of you are interested in joining in on this Instant Pot Weeknight Warriors, all you have to do is upload your video, and make sure when you're uploading that video, in the title you have Instant Pot Weeknight Warriors, all in hashtags, and then the name of your recipe. Come back here, let me know that you have uploaded a video, and I will gladly sit there and put it in a playlist of all the other Instant Pot Weeknight Warrior dishes. Now I hope to sit there and see each and every one of you join in on this fun, and I'll see you the next Instapot Weeknight Warrior Wednesday. If you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. Happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings, y'all. Y'all come back now, you hear?